Hey cheaters, welcome to the Project Atlas Hackathon launch. Project Atlas is our latest product which builds the whole automation for you from simple language. It finally realizes our original vision of CheatLayer to build any complexity of automations for people who are completely non-technical from natural language, what we believe is the universal interface. It wouldn't have been possible to get here without all the iterations with the thousands of users, thousands of cheaters, all of you out there, which made it possible to get to this point and build Project Atlas. In fact, this event is one last great effort with users who are here now to help us train and release Project Atlas to the world. This hackathon, the intention of it is to train Project Atlas one last time, and also the design of it is designed in such a way to virally launch projects. So in order to participate in this hackathon, we have users we've flown out globally, including from Portugal, who are live here today with our staff, building automations one last minute with our team. They've brought the best, most valuable automations to their business, and they're going to help us train it into Project Atlas so that anyone can run it with simple language, as easy as possible. Everyone who's at home remotely, you can also participate in this hackathon, and you have a chance to win as well. You can beat anyone here. If you're at home, you can look at all the videos that we're releasing on how to use Project Atlas and apply it to your business. For example, you can use Project Atlas to make your social media on any brand using GPT-3 and auto-posting DALL-E images. For example, you can say, post a motivational quote to Twitter every day at 10 a.m. or post an image about AI automation to Facebook every day at 10 a.m. It'll actually generate that content using GPT-3 and DALL-E. So it can really help anyone with a business to grow their brand. We can also help you automate your sales team, automate lead generation, and basically any mundane, repetitive task. And so the purpose, the way to win the hackathon is to take a video of you using Project Atlas for your own business and explaining how it's valuable to you. The most valuable automations to your business will typically end up winning, and then share it to your Twitter when we give the signal. And at the end of the hackathon, the user with the most retweets for their presentation of our product will get the grand prize. And we're giving away lifetime deals, we're giving away full stacks, we're giving away entire fully paid flights to our next hackathon event. So let's finish this race together, cheaters, and maybe let's go check out what people are working on. All right, so we got this posh mansion. Maybe I should do this MTV Cribs style. This is our fridge. And this is where the hackathon is going down. Actually, people are all spread out. But basically, we're working in teams to build and train Project Atlas one last time. Our staff is here helping users train, help users build automations together. So what do you guys working on?
We are scraping reviews off of Booking.com.
Oh, okay, cool. Now, how would you tell Project Atlas to build that as simple as possible?
We're trying to figure that out right now.
We're still working through it.
Okay, well, let's look at
It'd be like, go to Las Vegas hotels, pick out the first 5 hotels, and look through all their reviews and let me know which reviews are the best. Really, that'd be cool.
Yeah, I know when I'm traveling, I always have trouble finding a hotel that has dogs but actually supports dogs, because they sometimes say they don't, but they do. And so if you could just help me with that, that'd be great. Around this way. Reese, what are you working on?
The current thing I'm playing with right now is automating wishing people a happy birthday, and then having that to go every day.
Okay. Have you built something like this already, and you want to train this into Project Atlas?
Just kind of the MVP right now of it, making sure I can get it to work and then train Project Atlas.
Okay, cool. What are we doing over here, David?
Here we're working with an auto requirement, basically.
Oh, okay.
So we have more steps, but for now, this is what we're going to read the content of the post. We're going to run the text to something which will generate a reply.
Oh, okay. You're using GPT-3 to parse it?
And then hit enter key.
Yeah, it's basically it's trying to automate the
Your
Garity's
statement.
1.80 group strategy. So it's like extracting the caption, then right now it's hard to do it in the session selector. So we're trying to make sure that the comment will be related to the caption. So the user will not like read that caption and then comment it manually. Project Atlas will be doing the comment which is related to the caption.
That should increase engagement rates. Yeah, that makes sense. That's great. Cool. Chris? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, no
Have
problem.
you had a chance to build in? I'm sorry, we
I
didn't have
have.
a chance to meet yet, but
No.
what would you like to build?
Well, yeah. Right now, I'm kind of working with them on watching their project, which is going to help me. But what I'd like to do is do a scrape of Google Trends and Google search results to try to analyze domain authority and page speed. And essentially, the short of it is, I want to find the low-hanging fruit of content versus what the competition has.
Oh, stuff that's trending, but might also be
Trending, right?
low competition.
Right. And I'm also going to be scraping off of a couple plugins too. So
What plugins?
I'll be using keywords everywhere.
Oh, yeah,
And,
Oh yeah, you would have
also-
to get that data.
And also a location plugin that will allow me to search for a particular location, and then for free with keywords everywhere you get domain authority. Which is kind of cool.
Okay, actually,
Yeah.
we just added. I don't know if you tried it. But Project Atlas has a new Google Sheets automation. I mean Google Maps automation, where you can say, go search Google Maps for plumbers in New Jersey, whatever you want, and that uses an SEO API under the hood. And if you run, you can kind of see what it does. It gives you all the other relevant keywords and things like that. So we already have access to this data. So they could actually easily show you how to integrate it into an without using the extension. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and scale that up. Yeah.
I'm always kind of a hack way. Man.
Well, I
Ask
mean,
her about it.
yeah, it's also more robust because then you don't have to redesign the automations whenever they change their design.
Right.
All right,
Exciting.
looking forward to it. Let's go back here. We got one more. That's the kitchen. That'll work. We'll come. Maybe we'll come back and want us to come back and announce them.
That's why we're going to go.
And this is where we had lunch, but also, would you describe what automation you'd be interested in training Project Atlas?
Oh man, so my biggest thing right now is sales and outreach. So much of my time as a business owner is taken up nurturing prospects, nurturing leads. Just especially the focus that we're going to be focusing on right now is LinkedIn, because there's so much opportunity on LinkedIn. There's so many people to reach out to. There's so many people that I know for a fact can use my services and they're going to pay for it, but I have to establish a relationship with them. And for me, all that social stuff, it doesn't really come as naturally to me as some of my other friends in the field. So I need help with that. And I need to be able to kind of outsource some of the creativity, outsource some of the grunt work. But when I've done that in the past, it goes wrong. So the solution that we're looking at now is, instead of outsourcing, let's automate.
Yeah, that makes sense. It sounds like a solution that could help a lot of people. Basically, anyone build a brand, anyone who has a business. Yeah,
Certainly.
it's a good idea. Okay, guys. So everyone should stay tuned. We're going to be doing a bunch of more promotions all night. We're giving away full stack, hundreds of codes, and all paid expense trips to our next bootcamp hackathon if you missed this one. So stay tuned and have fun, cheaters.